Generating a chart with a simple instruction is now easy. Let me show you the steps. Pie chart sales by channel, put in the right column. Click Apply. Let's wait for the AI to generate the chart. The pie chart is now displayed to the right of the table with the required chart type and data. Now, let's try another one. Line chart yearly sales by region. Click Apply and wait. The line chart is now generated with the required dimension. Let's check the chart. The data is correct but missing the data label. You can double-click the chart to edit it and add any missing elements not handled correctly by the AI, or just try again. Now, let's try another chart type, a bar chart of sales by category. The bar chart is now generated with the correct data. Creating a chart is as easy as typing an instruction. Now it's your turn. Try AI AssistWorks today, and let us know if you have any feedback.